Welcome to our channel. In our previous video we have learned how to install CentOS in VirtualBox, and in today's video we are going to learn how to configure the static IPs on your Linux platform. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, you need to enter this entire command. Okay, the command is, first we will be utilizing vi, okay, for editing the file ifconfig -enp0s3. Okay, before that enp0s3 you need to check with the help of this command ip adder so. Okay, so in my case the network adapter name is enp0s3. In your case it might be different or the same. Okay, then the second command is vi/etc. Okay, then under etc sysconfig, under sysconfig network hyphen script, then under network hyphen scripts ifconfig -enp0s3. Hit enter. You will get the same, but the last like 1 2 3 4, okay, last 5 will be not there in your case. Okay, I have personally added those, means this one have added ip adder, okay, then prefix, then gateway, then dns1 and dns2. Okay, in my case the ip range is 192.168.29.1 till 254. Okay, in your case the network might be 1 or 0 in case for like the 29, the third octet. Okay, just check with the help of cmd like this. Go to your cmd on your host system, then enter ifconfig. Okay, and after that, sorry, ifconfig, then after that check your ip address on the system. In my case the host machine is having .97. Okay, so I have taken 103, like 103 for this particular machine. Then prefix means the subnet marks. Okay, you can either use the subnet marks or you can use the word prefix, then equals to then 24 means the CIDR value. Okay, and we all know for class C network we generally have the CIDR as /24. Okay, then the gateway. Okay, in my case it's 29.1, maybe in your case 0.1 or 1.1 or 2.1, anything. Okay, then DNS1 and DNS2. DNS1, if you know about your actual DNS, like I'm talking about the whatever DNS your ISP provider has given you, okay, you can use that DNS, or else you can use the global DNS like 8.8.8.8 or 4.4.4.4. Even you can also use 8.8.4.4 as DNS1 or DNS2. Once you are done with it, okay, wait, once you are done with it you need to save this. Okay, but as you all know how to use vi, maybe you know, if you want to edit something you need to press I. Now I am in the insert mode. Now I can edit this file. Okay, see, I can edit once I'm done. Okay, once you have entered all the details, click on escape button, then give colon wq, then one exclamation mark, and hit enter. It will save the file. Okay, now with the help of this command ip address so, you can check the ip address. See here, 103, wait a second, 103/24. Okay, in the very next video I'm going to show you like how to change your host name. Okay, then installing Java, PHP, MariaDB, and like such. Almost like 26 are there. Okay, so that at the end you can get to learn how to configure your own Linux machine, a blank Linux machine, or a minimal featured Linux machine. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.